Lalela Mntomnyama, listen to me and listen very carefully, because lento engizoyisho angazi noma imini ohlanyayo noma it actually makes sense. Our king, inkosi yakaZulu, uMiss Zulu, uhambile waya e-United Kingdom, and uhambo lakhe kuvele izithombe la khona ehleli nama elites, kwavela esign contracts. Yazi waphinde futhi ngo-October wahamba waye-Arab eyohlangana nenkosi yase-Dubai, the king of Dubai, and in those pictures laphayana kuyavela ehleli nama-elites, ehleli nenkosi yase-Dubai, and nalapha he was also signing a contract. Now my question is, what did we lose as isizwe sakaZulu? Because understand ukuthi mina indlela engibona ngayo lento ukuthi awuvele uhambe uyovakashela iqueen or iking yase England, awuvele uvuke kuseni uthi no, mina ngifuna ukuya eArab ngiyobonana neking yase Dubai. Laba abantu kukhulunywa nabo ibusiness, laba abantu kukhulunywa nabo ama investment. You do not just visit them because uyabakhumbula. Again, my question is, in the near future, ngenzeka kuthiwa hayi the Zulu kingdom has become the richest kingdom in South Africa. Fine, that's good, but my question is, what did we lose? Ubeyapi, ubeyodayisani? Because akazenzi announcement asho ukuthi nje wade ngilapha nje anibonile ngisayina ama contracts niso benefita kanje bantu abamnyama. No, uthule. So then again, mhlambi mina ohlanyayo, I'm just connecting ama dots and I'm trying to make sense of all of this ukuthi kwenzekalani.